It's Sunday, July 19th, 2020, and it's National Ice Cream Day. So, we're going to have some ice cream. The dogs have their own dog ice cream, and I'm going to have my own nice vanilla ice cream. Let's watch the dogs enjoy their ice cream. Here's Anna and Elsa, and they're going to get ready to eat their ice cream here. Ready, set, go. Amen. And Anna's taking hers to her little doggy cave. And Elsa's taking her time with hers. Here's Anna. Is that good stuff? They're really savoring their ice cream. It says doggy safe product. And this one has a nuts and cheese flavor. So, looks like they're enjoying it. And Elsa's gone to the chew method. And she's enjoying that, and that's just about gone. And Anna's in chew mode too. Eating hers up. And here we have Rosie. And it is her turn for some ice cream. Are you ready for a Rosie? Okay, amen. Eat your ice cream. Hey, eat your ice cream. That's good stuff. Don't you want your ice cream? Rosie, eat your ice cream. Here, this is good stuff. Eat it. Eat your ice cream. Eat your ice cream. You brat. Oh, she took the whole piece. She's chewing it now. Well, pick it up. Hey. And it's finally gone. Good stuff? You gonna lick the bowl? Okay. It is now Kiku's turn at some ice cream. And I bet you it's gone in under 30 seconds. Ready, Kiku? Amen. And it's gone. Licking up the crumbs and the little bit she dropped. She really enjoyed that. And we're back, and it's my turn to have my ice cream. I hope you all are able to enjoy National Ice Cream Day today and share some with your pups if you're able to. Have a good day.